12 tracks, depending on what combination of tracks you do, there's all these different feels and sort of ambient trips and sort of things that you can get into if you explore just a little bit, you know. Track 1 is the blob track, we call it. That's the main track that everything else is based from. And then everything else sort of plays off that. But if you remove track 1 and do combinations of other things, there's really some cool stuff in there.
A lot of people say, why is it called Two Blobs Fucking? You know, it sounds like that. There's the main track that is sort of the source of all the other tracks, which is how a lot of music is made anyway. You know, you kind of start with something, and then you get a variety of ideas that sort of shoot off of that. So this beginning track was something I did on just my 4-track at my house, and it kind of is a very absurd sounding rhythm track, boom, gook, boom, gook. And then I had this really horrible, distorted bass track. And for whatever the reason, it just sounded like two big things going. So that was how we arrived at what we were going to call it.
You know, you stand there with everybody, and there's up to 12 tracks. A lot of times I think people are doing like 5 or 6.
And some of your friends, it could be 2 or 3 of you, or it could be up to 12. It's a lot of people standing in the bathroom, like you'll see.
Yeah. Why do you think that,
Good start. So, yeah. That's cool.
Of course, none of these have the actual riff, but
that's cool. That's a good combination.
Got drum kit, Squonky Fuzz guitar, and Cosmic Rose.
Yeah, that's a great sound.
That's cool.
But you know, you're standing in a space that has some, you know, resonant frequencies about it. You don't want to be any place where it's too loud because you know, phones aren't very loud. But you know, I would say to some, you know, you have to put these things right next to your head and be involved in it. And
it can be on a laptop, it can be on your desktop at home, it can be whatever. I did one configuration I did was 3 iPhones, my desktop, and an iPad, and we did a combination with that, and it was a lot of fun. You know, I know someone used a BlackBerry, an iPad, an old like PC. You know.